Hello student, today I am teaching you business studies for class 12th and this is the video of chapter 5 organizing. So as we learn many of the things in our previous chapter, as I told you that planning is our primary function and after this is the organization. Okay, so organizing is the second process of our or the second function of our management. So what are the following things we will cover in this chapter? First of all, meaning of organizing, steps in the process of organizing, importance of organizing, organization structure, types of organization structures, formal and informal organizations, delegation of authority, decentralization and centralization. Okay, now look at these things we will cover. First of all, concept, then organizing as a process or as a structure, step in the process of the organizing, importance of organizing, formal and informal organization. So these are the things which makes this chapter very essential for your exam. Okay, now let me explain you first the concept of organizing. So as given in the picture, organizing. So organizing is a teamwork. If you look at in this picture, people's working together and making teamwork. So in organizing, essential implies a process which coordinates human efforts, assembles resources and integrates both into a unified whole to be utilized for achieving specific objectives. तो organizing एक essential process है in which people do effort, they coordinate and they assemble the resource and along with that they integrate into a unified whole to be utilized for achieving specific objective. ठीक है? It is very essential that along with the human resource, we assemble resource also. Okay. So this arranging the human resource as well as the material as well as the resource is called organizing. Okay. Next, organizing can be defined as a process that initiate implementations of plan. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग को हम डिफ़ाइन कर सकते हैं एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसमें हम पहल करते हैं, इनिशिएटिव लेते हैं एंड वी इम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ प्लान्स बाय क्लेरिफाइंग जॉब्स एंड वर्किंग रिलेशनशिप्स एंड इफेक्टिवली डेवलपिंग रिसोर्सेज फॉर अटेनमेंट ऑफ आइडेंटिफाइड डिजायर्स रिजल्ट्स और गोल्स. ओके, सो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग के अंदर हम अपना जो वी हैव मेड ऑलरेडी प्लान, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लान we implement the plan and we arrange the things for the good working relationship and the work should be effectively and efficiently. For that we have to coordinate all the factors of our firm. Okay, so by this we can attain our identify and desired result. Okay, so this is the work of organizing. Fine. Now these are some steps which we study in the organization process. So these are the steps in the process of organization. So first of all, identification and division of work. Second, departmentalization. Third, assignment of duties. And fourth, establishing authority and reporting relationship. So one by one I will explain. Okay, so first of all let me explain you identification and division of work. Okay, so identify means we have to first identify the work, what work we have to work, we have to do. So first of all we have to identify the work and then we have to divide the work among the departments. Okay, for example in bank the total work is divided among different employees. जैसे बैंक में work different employees को डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है. द डिवीजन ऑफ वर्क ऑल्सो प्रमोट स्पेशलाइजेशन एंड सिस्टमेटिकल वर्किंग एज ईच इंडिविजुअल इज असाइन वर्क एज पर हिज क्वालिफिकेशन एंड कैपेबिलिटीज़. अगर हम एम्प्लॉयज़ के कैपेबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग, उनके क्वालिफिकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग, इफ़ वी डिवाइड द वर्क and if we assign the job to them, definitely they'll perform well. So this is the first step in organization process, that is identification and division of work. Okay, then second step is departmentalization. So first of all we have choose what type of we have to do the work. Then in second we are dividing the work into department. Okay, for example sales and advertisements एक्टिविटीज़ में बी ग्रुप्ड अंडर मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट. जैसे कि हमारा अगर सेलिंग एंड एडवर्टीजमेंट का जो वर्क है, वी हैव टू गिव दैट पर्टिकुलर वर्क टू द डिपार्टमेंट, टू द मार्केटिंग डिपार्टमेंट. सेलिंग का प्रोसेस है, सेलिंग वी हैव टू इम्प्रूव, फॉर दैट वी हैव टू गिव द टास्क टू द सेलिंग डिपार्टमेंट. ओके, नाउ सेम हियर, लाइक फंक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग as well as product according and the territory according, we have to divide the work. For example functions like purchasing department, we have purchase ka, we have to give task to the purchasing department. Function like marketing, like finance, so according to their function we have to divide the work among the departments. Second, according to the product, like electronic appliance, like clothes, like cosmetics, like toys. So according to the product basis we have to divide to their department. Okay, and last territory basis, like north south west. ठीक है, तो जिस एरिया में जिस पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट को चीज़ कवर करनी है, सेल को कवर करना है, परचेस को इंक्रीज़ करना है, ठीक है, या सेल को इंक्रीज़ करना है, सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड द work according to the departments. So third, assignment of duties. So this is the third step in organizing process, that is assignment of duties. So assignment of duties mean duty should be assigned to the members of each department on the basis of their skills and competency. Okay, according to the scale of the employees, according to the capability of the employees, we have to divide the work. Fine. Like a proper match between nature of the job and ability of an individual is very important for the effective performance. अगर हमें effective performance देखना है तो we must have to divide the work according to their qualification and according to the capabilities of our employees. Okay, so this is called the assignment of duties. So this is the third step of our organizing. Now fourth step is establishing reporting relationship. Okay, so establishing authority and reporting relationship. Authority means the power and responsibility means you are responsible for do the something, or it is your duty that you have to do the task at the fixed time and you are responsible to show your work to whom. So it is must be clear by the organizing only. Fine. So each individual should know also how or who has to be take order, उसने किससे order लेना है, and from whom he is accountable, किसको उसने अपना काम दिखाना है. It means there is a need to create superior subordinate relations. इसका मतलब ये है कि अपने superior जो subordinate है उनके बीच में एक better coordination होके काम होना ज़रूरी है. So this is be done through the step of organizing. Fine. The establishments of such clear relationship helps to create a good structure and it helps to the people to make a coordinate among the work. Okay. Okay. Now next, importance of organizing. So these are the few points. Like the first one, benefits of specialization. Second one, clarity in working relationship. Third, optimum utilization of resources. Then fourth, adaptation to change. Fifth, effective administration. Okay. Sixth one, development of personnel. So about all this importance of organizing, we will be discussed in our next video. So thank you and have a nice day, beta.